So the next activity right here called using columns is really straightforward. And you can actually be lazy again because I'm not going to ask you to create a newsletter layout using the whole entire time during this practical. Because in the practical, we just want to know where are the tools and which icons that we need to use during the exam. So here they ask us to create a new document using columns to create newsletter layout. For the question number 3, you can ignore because I'm not going to cover that in this video because you're going to spend that time to answer the advantages and disadvantages of using columns by yourself. But we're just going to know how to use columns in Microsoft Word. So we're going to create a newsletter for that and help you to know how to do it in Microsoft Word. So right here, let's be lazy. So we're going to use ChatGPT again because we're not going to waste the time to learn about or create a newsletter out from scratch. We're just going to ask the AI for us to generate the content so that we can speed up by learning the tools that we need in Microsoft Word. So right here, I'm just going to ask ChatGPT to create a random newsletter information about computer science for secondary. Make sure the newsletter is one full A4 page. And let's ask it to generate, and let's see what random stuff they would put. Okay, so we have very random information that we have right here, and then we have some sort of information that we can use. Okay, this is very random stuff, and we're just going to copy the whole thing once this entire thing. So right here in my ChatGPT, where we can just highlight this copy. You can do so whatever AI that you use to just make sure that the newsletter is about one page. So we're going to head back to Microsoft Word. This is what the previous stuff that we do. So I'm just going to go ahead and create a new document. In Mac is File and click a new document, but in anywhere you can just Control N or Command N to create a new document or new page that looks like that. So what I'm going to do right here, I'm just going to paste the whole entire thing right there. So my page is about 4 pages. So this is quite long for me. So if I just zoom out, you can see that all the informations are already there, but it's a very long thing in just one column. And how do we do the columns in Microsoft Word? It's pretty straightforward. You can just head on to the Layouts ribbon at the top, and you'll be able to see that tool called Columns at the top. And you can go ahead and select 2 columns to make it look into this. No, I mean, the question didn't really specify how many columns we need to use, but in most cases in the exam, they will ask us to use 2 columns, but sometimes you want to make things for fun. You can go ahead and put 3 columns so that all informations are being chucked down into 3 different columns into the pages itself. So that's about it, how to do that in Microsoft Word, and I hope this video helps. Very straightforward and simple stuff, and I hope that you can complete this in 5 to 10 minutes. Good luck and all the best. Bye-bye.